You are going to love the 2015 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front passenger knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.